Good. My day was perfect. Yes, I did
Okay.
some things in my house. So I'm studying. I was studying and what more? Um, I yeah, and I did some work in the computer in my computer.
Okay, because you work from home, right?
It's very good. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
From
Okay, so let us have here, Val. I will introduce you. Okay. So I will let you answer first. We are done with this. Actually, we are done with this. The vocabulary. Let us have to answer the get to know. It's the grammar. Okay. And after this one, we'll go to the another lesson, the continuation. I need to have this so you can have, because the first one we have 0A, that's the first one, the beginning, and next is the next, okay? So in the first,
yes,
you
okay.
can see in here, wait me na. This is, okay, this is the first one we did.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, present, simple, past, and future. Okay, that's the first one. And the second, this is the continuation for the grammar. This is for the grammar.
Okay.
Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the same continuation. Okay, but the exercises is different. Okay. So let us have,
Okay.
okay, Val, yeah, the exercise, this is number two. The number one, we are done the same here, but the exercises is different. So we have here the same present simple. Okay, you know this already. It's the present fact, and this is a
Yes,
review,
I know.
Val. Okay, so like as what
Mm-hmm.
I told you, plural, it should be in plural. Okay, and then this one in the past simple, we have here the two. In the verb, we have irregular verbs and regular verbs, the one I told you. And we use the be verb, was and where. Okay, like my boss supported. Okay, future simple val, the same. This is, okay, the tense of the verb that is not happening yet. Okay, it's not happening yet. Okay, so this storm will damage. So you have to use will. Okay, so this is again, this is only a review. So let us have to do the activity. The activity is different. Okay, let us answer the activity. Please try the activity. Okay, like that.
Usually, Selena doesn't carries hard covers
Carries.
with hair
Mhm.
because they're yeah carries hard covers with hair because they're too heavy.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think the the incorrect word is there.
Mhm.
So usually is in this sentence only talk about that Selena is she,
Mm. Usually,
no
Selena
there.
doesn't carry. Mm.
Oh no no. So
Which do you think is the correct, is the wrong here?
um carries.
Okay, let us check.
Carries.
Let us check.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, correct. Carries. It's carry. Okay.
Carries.
Yes.
Carries.
Okay. Next one.
An auxiliary verb does I the verb is in the base
Correct.
form.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
This one.
I never fully disagree.
Done. Singular.
Okay.
Kaya nga, iga nga, madam. Natagin.
Disagreement?
Okay. Then, what is this? This is what you are going to do with this one.
Agree? Never fully is disagree?
Okay. Done, singular. And the verb is
Yeah.
disagree. So you have to put S. Example.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, that's one.
Disagrees.
Okay. Don disagrees because singular. So you have to put S to the verb. Next one.
Okay.
The verb that you have to change
Not.
is not the test.
Okay, I think is I'm not
Mhm.
the test. Not the test. Become. I'm not the test.
Let me see. That one. Okay, you try. You try. Can
Not
you
I
answer?
am.
Yeah. Do you think it's I am or does or doesn't
Yeah,
or
I
don't?
said I am.
I am.
I I am. I am not the test.
Are you sure with this? It's you.
Um, I'm not sure about the test.
Okay, go. So this here. Okay. I want. Okay. Or I will not detest you if you become a sales representative. I will not. Okay. I will not detest you. Okay. Next one. You choose only here. Which one
Okay.
first?
Okay. First, who was the first? Who did you?
Correct.
Who did you admire? The
Mm-hmm.
second, yes.
Correct.
Um, childhood. In childhood. I think it's on childhood.
Mm. Okay, wrong.
The number, the number one of childhood.
Okay, the answer is in childhood. Okay, who did you
Yes.
admire in
What did
childhood?
you
It should
admire?
be who did you admire in your childhood? So this is really the correct one. Who did you admire in your childhood? Okay, there's a missing in here. Okay, this one, lost.
So, okay. You love, you load
Mm-hmm.
with
This
him?
is question. So this is question. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so let me see what means load. It's a new verb for me. It's a new word. Okay, the star, yeah. Tú te
Does you,
what
have
did
you?
you, yeah, what did you load? Did you load?
Is that one? That
I
one?
think yes.
Yes. Okay, let's try. Correct. Okay, use did, not do because this is past tense. Where? Okay, very good. Next one.
Okay. So for some reason, our parents did hike outside yesterday. Yeah. Oh, did hike side. noted where our parents were highly excited yesterday. Yes.
Okay, I will
Instead
check.
of did.
Okay, yes, correct.
Okay.
Let me check if I am correct, if you are correct. This one we will change. This one, Val?
I think so. Yeah, it's were because it's in the past tense. I
Correct.
hope.
Yes, parent, where. So again, as what teacher
Yeah.
Ann told you, did, you cannot use past tense with the main verb. Okay, next one.
Okay. Um. Yeah. Are you seeing the first?
This one. Ah, no.
Oh no. Do you see? Do you see? Yes, the number two. Do you see this could bomb? This could bomb. That could bomb. Bomb. The number two
Oh,
means to bomb. Plural could bomb.
that.
Cortar pom pom.
Do you see that?
Oh yeah. I adore
They, their, or them?
there.
Do you see that cute poem? I adore they, I adore their, or I adore them. Cute poem. This one?
Them. Three. Yes.
Correct. Them. Okay. So high,
I
so
adore
much, or
them
so
so
many?
much.
Okay. Yes, that's
So
it.
much.
Okay. So do you see that cute poem? I adore them so much. Okay. That. Next. Carol.
Good. Um, adores.
Correct. Simple. Singular. Next one.
Oh yeah. We will buy. We will buy.
Hmm? Oh, question. Question.
Oh, I cannot see the first sentence in I don't know this language. Okay, so will we will we buy? Oh my God, those are new words for me. Let me
Intriguing.
see, let me see. And-
Wait me, Val, ha? Just a minute, Val.
Intrigante, yeah. Um, an intriguing, an intriguing. I think the answer is an intriguing.
Okay. Oh, this. Oh, intriguing is
Number
wrong.
two,
This is wrong.
no
Oh,
number one.
number one is not correct.
Yeah, the number
This
two.
one. Will we buy
Yeah, number two.
this? Okay.
This is
Best seller.
intriguing.
Best sellers. Best sellers.
First bestseller.
This one. Okay.
Yes, I think.
Best
Yeah.
seller. Yeah, this is correct because this only one. This. So we will use best seller, not sellers. Tomorrow, in
Only
tomorrow,
tomorrow.
or on tomorrow.
First.
Correct.
The
Okay.
first.
We buy. Okay, actually, this is a question. So, will we
Yes.
buy this intriguing bestseller tomorrow? We use again, Val, we use bestseller because this. only one. So we have to use singular.
Only one.
Yes. Okay. This is the grammar is really tough, so we have to be careful. Okay, this one. This is not
Okay.
question.
I see. Okay, don't show this. Don't show this.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Don't show this box to her. The number two. Two.
Correct.
Yes. Her or she will guess. Uh, yeah, the number one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we'll guess our plan. Number one.
Okay, correct. Yes. Okay, very good. Oh, 9/10. Okay.
I'm ashamed.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so let's move to the answer questions. We already done love and hates. So next we're going to have our surrounding. Okay. Okay, which one? Okay. So viewer, our topic for today is about our surroundings. Okay. Look at the two pictures. Which one do you like the most? Are you prepared? The extraordinary or the casual type?
Casual style.
The casual
Always.
style.
I prefer a
Casual.
casual style, yes.
Correct. Yes. Of course. Even me myself. I really don't like a complicated one. So this is better, of course.
Yes.
Yes, Val. Okay.
Looks
So why
good.
why do you like this one?
I like the second picture. So she looks more simple. She looks like a simple woman. She don't need
Mm,
more. In compare about Lady Gaga, she looks,
Lady
in my
Gaga, yes.
opinion, terrible, ridiculous, terrible, and so
So fancy.
exaggerate with our,
Yeah, yes.
yes, so fancy and exaggerate with our clothes. But no, it's clothes.
Okay.
It's myth.
Okay. So generally. So exaggerating.
Yeah.
And then as you can see in here, so she has a lot of accessories. So fancy. Okay, this one is quite simple. Of course. Me myself, I like this one. Okay, so we have vocabulary. Please be ready. Val. So we have this. Okay, this one. Do you know this word?
Yes, I know.
You know
When the
this?
people, yeah, yes, I know this word. When a person helps for another, maybe a community, voluntary, it's okay.
Okay. Like, yes, that's it. This is what you mean. Voluntary. Done, given, or acting of own free will. Like you do volunteering or you volunteer with your own free will. Like you volunteer to do
Oh, yeah,
something. Okay. Yeah,
voluntary is
volunteer. This is a verb. You volunteer to do something. Okay, voluntary. This is the work that you said to me. Yeah, that you told me that it is according to your own free will. Okay, that's voluntary. Okay, and you have to
voluntary.
volunteer.
Okay.
Actually, volunteer can be a noun or it can be a verb. Okay, it's like when I say, they are the volunteer. Okay, so people. So we're going to the volunteer, this one. So to volunteer, it means you will gonna have to do the voluntary work. You understand me?
Yes, I understand. And I know.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, great job. Okay, this one.
Very,
Very.
Okay, very,
It's
no,
very, very,
very,
very, very.
very, no,
Yes.
means
Okay, it means that, okay, look at this one. Okay, if the things of the same type
different kind of
vary,
ice.
they're different from each other. Okay, like they differ from
Variety.
each other. Yes, the variety. Okay.
or diversity.
If things of the same type vary, they are different from each other. So actually, look at this one. They are quite the same. They have eye, but then as you can see, the color, the design is different. So they vary from the designs. They vary from the color itself.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, understood.
Differ. Okay. Next, union.
Union.
Like a join.
Oh, join. Like what they call it one, the union of marriage. Okay, another what?
Yes,
Let me
join.
see. Join. Okay. So another one, we have union here. Another term for union is just like it's association. Okay, like it's you have
Okay.
association, and another one is join. Okay, this is another meaning for union, join, and another meaning is association. Like the action of joining together, okay, or the fact of being joined together, especially in political context. Okay, association. This one, the action of joining together. This is
Yeah.
join. Okay, so union. Okay, so the fact of being joined together,
Yeah.
especially in political context. Okay, it's association. In one union, one association. Okay,
Okay.
next one, this one. Do you have this?
Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Advisor. It's a person. Yeah, it's a noun, right?
Yes, it's a noun. It's a person.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
person who.
I don't know in your country, how do you call this person? Sa boss? Or I don't know how do you call this? In Ecuador,
It's the same.
the same supervisor. Like wait,
Supervisor.
but
Yes, supervisor.
supervisor also pays $450. The same or higher?
Depends in the maybe if he works on the public entity.
Public.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the public.
It-
Higher.
But okay, in the public entity, it's more. The salary is more, and sometimes is the I think it's the same salary.
Oh, really? It's really unfair. Right.
Yes,
Yes, it's different in my country,
it's
Val.
true.
Yeah, the one you told me. Because in my country, if you have high educations, like you have master's degree and you are in a big company, your salary is really high. If you employed and you don't have that good education or you haven't finished your university or college, it's really different. The salary is different. So yeah, it's quite
Oh,
yeah, it's quite unfair. Oh, I know.
so here, yeah, here even the doctors or maybe the lawyer, they have maybe if they have an own office,
Oh,
yeah,
on
they are
office, yeah.
going to have more money. Yeah,
Mm.
but no, sometimes if they're maybe works in a
In a
public
company, in a company,
exact,
the
yeah.
same,
So
450.
it's the same, or sometimes is 500, but no more.
Oh,
Or
oh,
500, yeah.
yeah,
So
Kinintos,
yeah, no
yeah.
more.
Kinintos, 500.
Mm,
Kinintos. It's Kinintos also in,
500, yes.
it's 500 pesos, Kinintos. 500 USD, Kinintos. Yes. Okay, so we have here, oh, this one, studded.
This price.
Studded.
Studied. No, studied.
Do you know
No, it's like
this?
a study, right?
Oh,
Studded.
No.
studded. Okay, like it is full of decorations. Like decorated, ornamented. Okay, so it is decorated or augmented with studs. Okay, studded.
What? It's the same person?
No, no, no. This one is, I don't know, it's loading. So this is not the same person. It's like the drawing here are full of like sequence, many drawings. So maybe the yeah, this one,
Oh,
studded.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Organ decorated. Oh yeah,
Ornamented.
I don't like this is leather jacket. Okay, let me write this example. Yeah,
Yes, sure.
I understand better with the example.
Yes, yes.
Jacket. Okay, yeah, list already. Okay, the next. It's okay.
Okay. You understand?
Yeah,
Okay, this one.
yeah.
Role model.
Role model.
Yes.
Uh, when the maybe like a career about model.
Okay. Like you will be the role model. Okay. So like this. Look at this one. Oh, sorry ha. The picture is quite loading. It is not
Then
the same. Okay, a person look up to by others, an example to be imitated. Like in my country, mostly the role model are celebrity. Okay, so those person like politicians, but actually politician is not worth it to be a role model. So like a celebrity, mostly celebrity, the one who do the advertisement, there is somehow
Mhm.
the role model. Okay, so that's general in my country. But honestly,
Wow.
if you
Okay.
talk about role model, it should be someone who has, or generally a person or someone who has high degree, and then a lot of people is being looked up to, and then what else? Like he done something good, or she done something good in the community or in the country. So I don't know in your country what is role model for you.
In my country now, so sometimes they are look like maybe like a celebrity, yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we don't have a lot of model. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
it's
Oh, really? You
there
don't have like
maybe
that?
only like Miss Universe,
Oh yeah, Miss
like
Universe.
yeah, and
Yeah, but
there
mm, they're role
yeah,
model.
so their works are maybe in the different reality shows.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
No,
Model. You
it's
generally
very
tell me model,
yeah,
like model.
role model.
Oh,
Well, this is an example model or
okay.
para. Maybe I have a yeah, I have a confused right now. So
Mm-mm.
role model.
I don't know how do you define role model in Ecuador.
Yeah. It was a confused. Yeah. Um, yeah, it's like what you said about the politics, right?
Mm-mm-mm. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
here the people follow more to the celebrities, yeah,
Yes,
like a
yes.
celebrities.
Yes, yes, yeah, correct.
Exactly.
Because I can see Val in
Those
your
are role
country.
model for the people.
Yes, yes. I can see Val in your country, mostly Ecuador. I don't know what's the term. What's the people? Who are the people living in Ecuador? I forgot about that. Okay, so the people. Okay, most people living in Ecuador. I can see the women. They're beautiful. Okay, yes, many of them. Many of you are beautiful. Yes. Okay, you're beautiful. But how about Talia? Talia is from Ecuador or where? Because Talia is Espanol.
No, she's
Mexico.
Mexico.
Ah, from
She's
Mexican.
from Mexico.
She's a Mexican from
Yes,
Mexico.
she's from Mexico. So, do you know more celebrities
Yeah,
about
I'm not. Who
Ecuador
is the
or no?
famous in Ecuador?
I think no, maybe you don't know those celebrities, but so that's the name. Maybe she's a Latina or no.
Okay, yeah. Yes, I
You
understand.
you know another
Yeah,
celebrity?
Latina. Mostly Latina. Okay, Latina. Ecuador are Latina.
Exactly.
Yeah, mostly Latina. They're
Yes,
beautiful. Okay,
Latina.
yeah, beautiful. Yeah,
Yes.
I can see.
Especially from Colombia.
Ah, really? From
Yeah.
Colombia, especially, yes, exactly from Colombia. They're
From
beautiful.
Colombia.
Mm.
Yes. Venezuela, Ecuador.
Venezuela,
We have the same
Venezuela.
flag. Yes,
Ah,
we have the same flag, the same
mm,
colors. Yeah, but obviously it has a different facts. Yeah, but
yeah.
those
But
are the
your
same colors.
your faces is just like a common. I mean, like the same. I can see Colombia. I mean, Miss Universe, Colombia, uh, Venezuela. They're Latina, right?
Venezuela.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
Venezuela.
Latina too. Uh-huh.
Oh, Latina to Mexican. Mexico. That's Latina or no?
Mm, yeah.
Ecuador.
Eh, I no, I think no because no, Mexico no.
A
So
Mexican. It's different. It's Mexican.
yeah, Latina,
Mexican.
but no. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's different. It's
Ecuador.
different.
Yeah, it's Ecuador.
Ecuador, yes. Ecuador,
Yeah,
yes.
Ecuador. Yeah, I can
Yes,
see. Oh, wait.
Ecuador, Venezuela, and Colombia.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can see Ecuador women or people or women from Ecuador are really beautiful. So I am trying to search it. Like Venezuela. Okay, they're really, really pretty. I don't know if, yes,
So,
exactly, because I can see most of you living there, why you're pretty. Yes, why you're pretty.
oh, I don't know. So probably
Probably the genes.
the woman of the jeans.
Your genes. Maybe your family, your ancestors.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
one reason, and that my culture is mixed. Um, okay, so Spain, Europe,
Ah,
maybe
yeah.
Europe, yeah,
Yeah.
and like Quechua, yeah. So
Oh,
those are
oh.
mixed, and then yeah, we have Latinos
Yes. Oh, you were mixed culture from Europe,
like this.
from Spain. So Ecuador and Spain. So you have mixed cultures.
And yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
So why? That's why you are pretty. Okay, next one.
Rip,
Rip
rip, rip, rip. Oh,
like this. Turn. Rip jeans.
mm.
Oh, you're wearing the rip jeans.
Rip is like a broke,
Yeah.
no?
Look at this picture. Rip, rip.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Please. Yeah, ready. Mm.
Okay, next.
Okay,
You
next.
understand this? Next is
Yes, I understand.
remind.
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 Remind me? It's like
Remind.
a remind?
Yes,
Remind?
like this. Please remind me. This one. To
Yes.
make someone think of something they have forgotten or might have forgotten.
Prompt. Recall and cool. Let me see. Let
Mhm.
me see. Prompt. Recall and
Prompt. Okay, remind, like to make someone think of something they have forgotten or might have forgotten, like please remind me. Okay, like that. You understand? Please remind me.
yes.
Okay, next one we have, oh, this one, remember.
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 Okay, like you have to bear in your mind, have and or be able to bring to one's mind an
About
awareness of
remind.
someone. Okay, please, I want to remember this. Okay, please remind me. I want to remember this. Please remind me. Okay, this one
Okay.
related to,
Related to.
like,
Related to when you really, uh, yeah. I think this is the best explain for me because I cannot explain that that I
Best,
have right now in my mind.
yeah, the best
Connect
explanation.
with
To be directly connected to something or to refer directly to it. Connected with, okay, related to. Like, they're related to my family. Like, we have connections with my family. So they have connections with my family.
yeah.
Okay, so when you use the word
Okay.
related to, you have also the meaning of involved in. Like, it is related to, like it is related to, you will say that one, it is involved in, okay, to be directly connected to something,
Something.
or it refers directly to it, to something. It is related to animals. Okay, so it means it is involved in about animals, like that. It is related to human nature. So it is involved in, or it is about human nature, related to human nature. Okay, next one we have recall.
Okay.
Please
Recall.
recall. It means,
So, no,
yeah, not
no.
recall, not recall,
Yeah.
not recall. It
Oh,
is, yeah, so you have to retrieve. Please remember, okay, synonym, recall, remember.
recollect.
Okay, recollect. Okay, please remember me. I want to recall. I want to remember all those events, those past memory that we had. I want to recall that one. So I want to remember. Okay, recall, remember. Okay, next one. Okay.
Instead, remind, maybe.
Yes, remind. Okay, please
Okay.
remind me. I want to recall. I want to recall and I want to remember. Recall and remember the same, synonyms. Recall and remember.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay, this one. Rebel. You say
Rabble.
No, I don't know.
the rebel. Okay, it is. Look at this. Oh, a large, noisy, uncontrolled group of people. It's crowd. Okay, mob.
Yeah, like in
Okay.
concert.
Yeah, it's a concert. It's a rebel. Okay, do you like to watch concert?
Yeah.
Yes.
Especially those this kind of concert.
Yeah,
Like
you like to watch.
rock music. Music
You,
rock.
oh, you like rock
Yes.
music. Okay.
I
So
know.
this one, pretend. Val, pretend.
Pretend.
Pretend. I know. Pretend.
Okay, what is it?
Pretend. What maybe what do you try to say? What do you pretend to do? Maybe
Mm-hmm.
it's okay.
Like,
When I said what do you pretend to do,
oh, you
like
act.
an action.
Yes, you stimulate, you
Yeah.
act, you pretend to behave so as to make it appear that something is the case when the fact it is not. But you pretend to be someone who is not actually you. Like, I pretend to be Miss Universe. Okay. When in fact I am not.
Uh,
Yeah.
like I would like to be.
Yes. You would like to be. Okay. You want to be, you pretend. Okay. Okay, this one. Perceive.
Perceive.
Like, you perceive, or what is this? You have
When
to.
you maybe suspect. Oh no. Let me see. Understand? Have you perceived?
Like, you perceive things using your senses. Like, oh my God, I perceive that I see
Yeah,
something
with your
good.
sense.
Oh my God, I perceive that there is something going on. Like, you perceive it using your five senses. Okay, so through that one, like, especially that your sense of sight, you can perceive that. I can see that one. I can perceive it. I can see. I can
I can
understand.
see. Yeah, you pretend maybe that for the more actions in the future, right?
I can see that one, so
In some
I can perceive
okay.
that one. Or I actually understand that she doesn't like me like that. So these involve the use of senses. Okay. Next one, patch.
Oh, but
Match.
no, it's like a joke.
This one,
No,
the one you put in your patches. Patch.
it's like gun. No,
It's
the
like you
piece,
were
a
gonna
flick.
put here
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
oh,
yeah.
a piece of
Like a
cloth.
sticker, like a sticker.
Yeah, like a sticker, but it's a
Yeah,
cloth.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we a piece of cloth, sewn clothing as a badge. Oh, that's badge. That's the badge or distinguishing mark. Okay, like a badge. So cloth, you are gonna sew it here in your mostly in the uniform. So we do have like this, the patches.
Like
Okay?
with your name.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes. Okay. With your name. Okay. Let us have to do the discussion for this one. Okay. So Val, with us have here, as you can see, the girl is beautiful. Okay. So who are the role models for the youth? Who are the role models for the youth?
Oh, I'm refer about the person.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I so no politics, but
Okay.
maybe mm, I don't have a I don't have a role models to oh my god, it's my cat. Okay, so I think it's an no it's a celebrity, but they're write a different books. So uh, how do you say when the people write a book and there
Author,
maybe a science.
author, the author.
Yes, author and
This one.
like a scientific, yeah, who yeah, exactly, author, yeah, about I know the different author here,
Mm.
but yeah, I think it will be a role models
Correct, yes, yeah. The
for
same in my country. Their author or
so
other writer or famous people in my country too, Val, they become the role models because they are being awarded as most blah 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 blah. Okay, best performing blah blah blah. Okay, like okay, so like we have best here. Okay, most here. Okay, so that could be the role model. It could be okay in the Philippines. Okay, do you agree, Val, with the quote? Life is about how we perceive it. Do you agree with this one? That our life is about how we perceive it, how we see it. It is it. Do you think it is correct?
okay, yeah, let me see what means squat.
Okay.
So what means? Oh my God, I don't know. So I don't have the translate right now. Let me see in the computer.
Well, excuse me for a minute.
Oh yeah,
Just a minute.
day.
Excuse me.
It's like a day.
Yeah, excuse me for a minute.
Okay, yeah.
Ivan?
Okay. Yeah, I said the quote is like a date.
Mm. What is this? Oh no, it's sayings. What you
Yeah,
believe.
number two.
Yeah. Quote
Okay, so
is
life is about,
sayings.
yeah, I know. Yeah, when
Mm.
maybe the outdoor writes something. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so
Do you agree with the
yeah, it's
quote?
so very
Life is about how we perceive it.
I agree.
Yeah, I agree. Why
I
do you
agree. I
think you
agree.
agree?
Because yeah, when you have good thoughts, so your life continue the for a better way. And if you have a good vibes, and when you perceive the things the maybe a not wrong way,
Mm-hmm.
you are going to have more success.
Mm-hmm.
Success is okay, or successful.
Oh,
Yeah,
success.
success in the all things that you do, and it happens in everything, with your
Mm-hmm.
family, with your work, with a
Mm-hmm.
personal life, and with a social life.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, I understand. So life is about how we perceive it. Okay. So what we can see about life, it will
Yeah.
also
And
reflect
what
in,
about you?
yeah, it will reflect in us. Sorry. What you see in our life will reflect us. Example, we see life or we perceive life as different or as negative. So we always think negative. If we perceive our life as positive, we always think it positively. Okay. So sometimes we feel depressed, we are stressed because we keep on saying or we keep on looking life as if it is really bad, as if it's negative. Oh, my life is so stressed. I don't have money. I don't have good family. I was not able to land a good job. Or you keep on thinking about that. So that's negative already, Val. So once you perceive it's the negative, of course the effect will be negative for you. You feel stressed. You feel disappointed. Okay, like that. So that is what I believe about this quote. Life is about how we perceive it. Okay, how about you? The same? Correct.
The
Yes.
same. It's the
Mm-hmm.
same. If you maybe only think about thoughts, so you are not going to have a good life.
Correct.
Maybe
Yes, yes.
all the time you are going to have stress in your mind. No
You have
rest.
you have your
Yeah. So
stressful mind, stressful thinking, and you cannot rest properly. You can, yes.
yes,
Okay,
properly.
next. Yes. Is the world around a hostile place or a joyful one? Is the world around a hostile place or a joyful one? What do you think? How about you in general?
Okay, let me see. Hostel place.
Mm-hmm.
Is hostel or hostile?
I mean,
Uh, I don't know what happened with my translator. So let me translate.
yes,
Please,
yes.
joyful and yeah, and hostel
It's
place.
unfriendly.
Yeah, I'm friendly. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah, I
it's
think it's
hostile. It's unfriendly.
hostel place. Yes, yes,
Unfriendly
I think it's a
place or
hostel
joyful?
place.
So what do you think the world around you?
Mm,
Is it hostile place or a joyful one?
it depends.
It depends.
So, but I think the world around is and yeah, I think I don't know why the people um, choose to be a hostile person. So instead of enjoy the each moment.
Mm-hmm.
of
Enjoy each month.
a day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's a hostel place for me.
Okay. So, yes, probably, Val, there could be a place where we can say that we are surrounded with hostile people. Okay, the hostile people. Or it could be we are surrounded by a joyful one. It really depends on the people that surrounded you. Example, you were surrounded by people who has always the negative thoughts. Oh, of course they're unfriendly. They will not give you good effect. Yes. If you are surrounded in the other part with people who are joyful one, so they will going to give you a positive vibes. You will become an uh you will feel like you are less stressed. Oh, like I'm okay always. I want to smile. I want to be motivated because the people surround me or the people around me are joyful. Okay, they don't give me a headache or like that. Okay, so it depends on the people. But I don't know in your
Yeah,
country
it
it will be like
depends.
that. Depends on in your country. But I don't know in your
The
country.
same,
Yeah, the same. How about your workplace? Is it
same.
hostel or you have a joyful?
Yeah, it is a good it's a good place. Okay, so obviously we have um a bad person sometimes. Yeah,
Mm,
uh a bad tourist, but it doesn't matter because if you have a good vibes, so no one in the world change this
correct.
in yourself.
Correct. Yes, of course. Exactly. Of course. Okay. But we cannot always say that everyone is joyful. Yeah, that's the fact. No one born to be
Yeah,
joyful always. Okay. There are people who are really born to be
no,
nega. They don't like it. Sometimes attitude change. Sometimes today we are okay and the other day will not be okay because we have problem. So all we have to do, we have to be aware that we are not only the one living in this world, my God. So we are many. If we think, Val, that I am stressed, I am depressed, I have many bundle of problems, you have to think that there are people out there who has generally has the biggest problem than you are facing right now. So let us
yeah,
think that. Correct.
they create a problem for
Cor-
maybe from a little yeah, so everything has solution.
Correct. Very good. Everything has a solution. You only created a problem. So instead, it's only a smoke, but you put fire on it. Okay, that's why. So it's just remain it as it is, like smoke only, little fire, but you put it a gas, so it becomes fire all over, and you get burned with that. You understand?
I understand. They try to fight.
Yes, correct. Correct, Val.
Yeah, there are a lot of people that try to fight all the time. And for example, I am not no it's my problem, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
I don't care about that.
Mm-hmm.
So they are more angry. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
and they don't grow up. They don't have they don't have relaxing
Yeah. Oh, they cannot
in his
relax.
life.
They cannot relax.
Exactly. They
Okay.
cannot
So,
relax.
yeah, they always feel stress about that one. Okay. That's why. What is volunteering for you? What is volunteering?
Oh, okay. So before I was working about volunteering, yeah, in one of my activities in my work,
Wait me, Val, ha?
and
Val, wait me.
so
Okay. Go, Val. Okay, Val, continue.
so yeah,
What is volunteering for
yeah,
you?
yeah. Volunteering for me is when you create, for example, you create with your community a little organization for help another people, yeah,
Okay,
around
yes,
the
yes.
world.
Yes, that's correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Start from your place, and then you need to go for different places for help, for maybe bring some food, bring some clothes. Yeah.
yes. Okay, yes,
This
correct.
is the
That's correct.
volunteering for me.
Yes, yeah. That's it. That's it. Okay. So how about protest?
Uh, yeah, I can give you some examples about the voluntary
Voluntary
work.
work. Yeah, what are those?
Um, yeah, for example, if you need to help in maybe environmental, um, it's okay, environmental
Yeah.
about the nature,
Yes,
yeah.
environment. Your
So yeah,
environmental.
exa-
Okay, yes.
yeah, you need to help. Okay, at the beginning, for create some ways,
Mm-hmm.
some routes
Mm-hmm.
for 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 the volunteers. There needs to fix the maybe the nature. Let me see this word. So I have the word here, but I don't know in English. Yeah, path. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
path. Path.
Yes, path.
Path. Yeah, you need to
PATH.
create some path.
Mm.
Yeah, and then re- oh my God, so reforestation.
Or
Yeah,
reforestations. Yeah.
and yeah, you need to sow more trees
Mm-hmm. Oh, planting trees, like
for
about the
preserve
environment.
the nature
Preserve, yeah, preserving the nature. So you have to plant trees. That's voluntary
of the
work.
environment.
Yeah, that's voluntary work.
Yes, that's a voluntary work.
Mm-hmm. So you have to plant trees, okay, to preserve the environment. Like we can also have coastal cleanup. You will going to clean the coastal cleanup, like you will going to clean near the coast, like that. So coastal cleanup. That's voluntary work also. Then other than
You need
that,
to
like
check. You need to check.
giving foods like that, giving clothing. Okay, so to someone who are in need, like victim of fire or earthquake, like that. That's voluntary work. Okay, what is protest for you, and why do people have to have a need to do the protest?
A protest for me is when, for example, the people needs help about a job, about to
Yeah.
get a job, about to
Mm-hmm.
get food. So yeah, this is a protest, and the people protest because they don't have maybe some okay, they don't have food, they don't have support of the government, especially,
Correct, correct.
and yeah, this is the reason that is acceptable for me when the people needs to protest.
Okay, yes, yeah, I understand. So that is why they need to protest because they want something from the government. Like they want to not only government, in particular company, they want to increase their salary. So that's
Yeah.
protest. The
Mm-hmm.
salary increase.
Maybe it's about salary. Yeah. They don't maybe don't appreciate your work,
Oh yes.
so there needs to protest
Yeah. How about in
about
Ecuador? Do you need to
more.
protest? Do you need or do you have this protest about salary increase? Like what we Filipino have?
Yes. Okay. I think two or 1 week ago, we
Ah,
had a popular consultation here.
oh yes, yes.
Yeah, it's like a votation.
Yeah, oh.
Yeah, and
Votation? It's
one
not
of the
election? Not election?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, like election, but
Uh-uh.
it was for a popular consult.
Ah, what is that?
Yeah,
What is
the
it all
different
about?
questions around I think around 20 or 12 questions. I don't remember well, but one of these questions was okay, so are you agree with this salary for the year?
Ah,
The new salary, yeah, the new salary from January, from this
mm, mm,
January,
mm, mm, mm.
to up around $10 more. Yeah, before
Ah,
was 450,
so
and for now
460,
it's 460.
60.
Yeah,
Oh, so you were
exactly.
going to vote? You were going to vote for that one? Example, if you were going to raise the
Yes.
salary, of course that will be in positive. So of course, if I am
Uh,
a worker, I will vote for $10. Add $10.
so it's okay, but they need more. I mean,
Ah,
even me, I need more. But yeah, the problem here is the government. So okay, they increment $10 more, and they increment the tax. The tax for
ah,
now is 15%.
oh,
15%.
15%.
It's too much.
Too much.
Yeah, it's too much for the Ecuadorian people here. And before was around, yeah, it was 1 month ago that
Mhm.
tax it was it's more high right now. And before was around 12 12% and for now it's
12%.
15. So the old things
12%.
here, yeah, the old things here, it's more expensive.
Okay, yeah, I
Yeah,
understand.
so the people, obviously, the people have different complain a lot about the principal, about the job, about
Mm.
healthy,
The health,
yeah,
health.
uh, about the security, yeah.
Yeah. How about
So
health? Are you free?
this
Health. Your health. Yeah. Health.
what?
Like your
Oh, health.
medicine. Yeah. Health benefits. Are you
Yes,
free?
I have. Yes,
You're
I
free.
have,
Free.
but I need to pay per month.
Like how much?
No, okay, it's free. It's free, but the problem here is when you need to service about a doctor. Yeah,
Mm.
maybe you are very sick. You need to wait around 1 or 2 months for get a
Oh,
turn. Yeah, and
just for
then when
you
you, for
free.
example, you have, yeah, but okay, so for example, if you have an injury in some part of your body, you need to wait. And for example, me, it happens before. Yeah, I had an injury in my knee,
Mm-hmm.
and I went to the hospital
Free.
for check my the doctor check my knee. Yeah, and then they said, okay, we have a lot of requirements here, so you
Mm.
need to complete these papers and you need to wait. And I said, okay, so maybe in what time you are going to call me?
Mm.
And they said, okay, we have this what thing, this request,
Ah.
yeah, and a lot of papers, yeah. And I said,
Mm.
okay, and until now I'm waiting for the call,
Oh
and
my
it
God.
was,
Like
yeah, for
how
now,
many months?
yeah, one, almost 2 years, and they don't call
Oh
me,
my God.
never call me.
Yeah, so that's the worst.
Mhm.
But of course, if you have insurance, like if you have health benefits, do you pay? How much do you pay?
I need a good service. If I need a good attendance for me, I need to
Mm-mm-mm.
pay per month, one thing. And so if I need maybe I have a very strong pain, or I have a cancer,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
can.
I need to go to another city and for have a good treatment. And obviously I need to pay extra.
Oh, okay. So how about your health? How much did you pay per month?
Um, the okay, it's a bit, the list price is $80. 80
Oh, $80.
per
You have to
month.
per month.
80
Oh,
per
80.
month.
Oh, very very expensive Val.
Yes. And that's what it is. So sometimes no is um, even if you paid, no is a guarantee for you are going to have a good service, for you
Mm.
maybe are going to have a good attendance. No.
Yeah,
So you
good
need to wait too.
doctors, you have to
That is
wait.
the less time. Yes. Hmm?
Yes, that's I understand now. Okay. Can
Yes,
a
it's
protest
unfair
be a
because
peaceful? Number 6. Can a
what?
protest be a peaceful or
Okay.
a peaceful effective? Like you don't need to yell on the streets. You don't need to shout like that.
Yeah.
Is that you have this kind of protest in your country?
Uh, okay, in my country, we have a particular protest. Yeah. Those protests here is around 1 month. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
You cannot work, you cannot go outside, you cannot open your business because the people here close your business.
Ah, really?
Maybe they fight a lot. Yeah, if you search, maybe one day, if you search in Google, how is the protest in Ecuador? You are
Mm.
going to say, "Oh my God, it's amazing because it's not strong here." And now we have exception state.
Exception. Yes,
Yeah,
exception.
and yeah, I think it's a two provinces here in Ecuador
Ecuador.
because the security, is about a lot of delinquency here. Hmm.
Delinquency.
So
Oh.
yeah, in my opinion, no, I'm not agree with a protest. Even only if the protest is peaceful, yeah, I agree. But the otherwise, no, I'm not share this.
Yeah, it's very hard. Yes, yes, I understand. Okay, so uh do clothes reflect one character? Do clothes
Okay.
reflect one's character? If you're wearing
Oh,
that beautiful and fancy clothes, does it reflect who you
finally,
are? Yes, for
yes,
you.
the final. Hmm.
Yeah, it will define who you
In
are.
my opinion,
Yeah.
yeah, in my opinion, I think it will be not always. So, for example, in this month when I start to work in my new job, I need to use a more maybe clothes more like a
Formal.
sport, yeah.
I
But
sports.
I like no formal, yeah, sport. But
Mm.
I don't have problem, but no is like no represent how I am,
Oh
yeah.
yes, yes, I understand. Okay, so it because
Mhm.
you're wearing that one because that is part of your job, but it doesn't mean that that will represent who you are as a person. I understand. Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Yeah, I
So there
understand.
are a different how do you say this, parts of the life, yeah, stages, yeah,
Mm,
when you need
mm.
to when you, yeah, and the weather is very important. For example, the weather is very cold right
Mm.
now. I'm not going to use a skirt, no.
Okay, I understand. Okay. So do you pay a lot of attention to the way people dress?
A lot of attention with yes, I don't know why. No, I know, but yeah, for me this is very important. So the phrase, and the phrase said, uh if you may okay, so maybe if you use your dirty shoes, no is a good presentation for
Mm.
yourself.
Okay, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Do you pay a
I
lot of
don't have
attention to
problem
the
and I don't care.
way people dress?
Yeah, no, maybe not further away, but I realize more in the maybe it's clean or no.
Mm-mm-mm.
I don't care if the person use um I don't know, jeans or shorts or I don't know, but it doesn't matter for me because it's clean, it's good, and it's
Mm.
dirty. No, it's not
Uh,
a good appearance on me.
okay. So you don't pay a lot of attention. Okay, so in my country, it's different, Val. Like if you're working in the office, you have to work or you have to dress accordingly. Then, of course, you will not wear shorts. You will not wear a lot of revealing clothes because you're working in the office. So you have to wear proper clothes. Yes. If you will be working
You
in the
need to
sports,
take
of
care
course,
your appearance.
yeah, yes, you have to take care of your appearance. If you will be working in other industry, like in the call center, in the BPO. So they're wearing anything you want, like shirts, you can wear jackets, anything that feels comfortable. But if you're a teacher, of course, a teacher should not wear something very short when you are in school. So like you're exposing your body, you're wearing swimsuits, and then you're posting in the Facebook, you're a teacher. So it's not that good. Okay, so you have to
Okay.
what do you call one? You have to protect your dignity. You're a teacher and you're wearing swimsuit too revealing, it's not really good. That's what we what do you call the one? That is what we are
No, it's
looking
good
here.
for your students.
It's not really good for your
It's the
students.
same with my dad. My
Mhm.
dad is teacher too,
Yes.
and yeah, he always use uh formal
Hi.
dress. He always, and it's good because it's a good appearance for his students.
Yes. Oh, your dad is a teacher. How about your mom?
My mom was a secretary.
Okay.
Is the same. She
Mm-mm.
was she wear before a formal dress.
Mm,
Yeah,
yes, that's
always
it.
formal dress.
Yes, that's it. Okay. But if you, of course, if you will be working in a sports in a gym, of course, you will gonna wear something about sports like shorts, anything that comfortable when you will be having an exercise. It's different. Yes. Okay. So
Exactly.
why do
So
people, Val, why do people pretend to be someone they aren't? Why do you think so? There are many people pretend to be someone else when in fact they aren't.
I think the people pretend to be someone. Maybe they don't like
Mm,
her lives.
mm,
Yeah. So they don't like her lives. They don't like how they are, and I think there needs to appreciate how
mm,
they are, and so I think that yeah, this is very important. The social media influence. So let me see. It's the word. Yeah, the social media influence a lot. Yeah.
mm,
For example, if I see a woman and she has a good body and she has a perfect life, so I'm going to pretend to be her, like her.
mm,
But not make sense because I'm lost my life and pretending to be another person. So I
mm,
think the social media influence a lot, and maybe the people not be don't don't like her lives. I think this.
mm. Okay, so actually, Val, there are really people who pretend to be someone else, even though they aren't. Like, I am an ordinary person. I am an ordinary woman, but I want to look good. I want to look as if I am rich, when in fact I am not rich. I am poor. So I try to do my best. I want to dress up like I am well off, like I am rich. So I try to wear something fancy, jewelry and everything, and branded and everything. So I am pretending to be someone who are really I'm not. Okay? So like that. Okay. So and there are also people who pretend to be someone when they aren't. Like example, they will be in the in the social media and they try to wear something like, of course you can say, oh my god, she is so rich right now. Okay, like that. That's physical. She is rich right now. Okay. And other than that, they
Yes.
are also pretending to be someone like, uh, I am, I am really good. I have, I will offer you like, oh, are you good? How are you today? So and you wonder why that person really becomes good to you when in fact, way back before, she doesn't like you at all. So you just, oh, why? Why is she doing like that? Because after that, when she says, Val, are you okay? Oh, do you have problem? Oh, you can count on me like that. She pretend to, and after a while, in a week or in a month, she will gonna borrow money from you. Okay, like that. So pretending to be someone else. That's it. That's another way of pretending to be someone else. Yeah. Okay. Or
Agree.
have you experienced things or people like this?
Yes, I have before
Mm-hmm.
with some of my friends, and I remember they needs my help before,
Mm-hmm.
and then when they have a job, a good position,
Mm-hmm.
economic position, so maybe they forget me, and
Oh,
and they're grow up, but it was very stupid because they
after all.
I think that the life of about the my friends before, I think no
Mm,
is a good life. So they're only try to be uh, another person, someone
mm,
else.
yes.
Yeah, maybe try to follow what is that role model?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. I understand. Okay. So, what is your thought about this? Why do you need to pretend to be someone else? What is your thought about this? That why do people really need to pretend to be someone else? Do you think it is good or no?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Mhm.
Definitely no.
Yes,
So yeah, if you are not happy with your life, so obviously you are going to pretend to be another person. So
correct.
yeah.
Yes, yes, correct, Val. Okay, so why don't you need to pretend to be someone else if you're not happy with your life, right? That's the
Yes, you're
fact
not
that
happy with
yeah, that's the fact that I am always asking. So if you think you are poor, if you think you are this in your level, if you're, I mean, the standard living of your family is just like this, why we need to uplift it in a way that we become pretentious, like we pretend to be someone else. Okay? Like you say, oh, I am the owner of this one. When in fact, you're not the owner. You're only a worker. My God. That's a big lie. Yes.
it. Well, people here, they pretend to be the owner of of the business, but no, they're only a coworker.
Worker.
So
Yes. Okay. Like, oh, I pretend to be like this. Okay. When finally you met your chatmate and the chatmate is so amazed because oh my god, this is not the person I met or I talked in the chat. It's different one because the picture is different. It's beautiful. But when you try to met in the person, oh my god, it's really different. Okay, you're not beautiful, you're not pretty, and you try to pretend that you're someone else by putting pictures on your account. My god, pretty girl. That's it. Okay.
yeah,
Yes, that's scam. Okay. So is it good or bad that people are so different? What do you think about
yeah. So it's good. If you different in compared to another person, it's good. So yeah, you don't if your intentions no are bad for the other
Mm,
people. Yeah. So
mm,
if you have a good intentions, if you have a good life, you don't bore or maybe you
mm,
don't try to fight with someone else, you are not going to have problems.
mm.
Yeah, I think
So my
it's good
question, is it
to
good, Al? Is it good or bad that people are so different? Do you think that?
I think it's good.
Mhm. Is it good for you? Okay,
Are
so
so
actually,
different. Yeah.
so we cannot question them if they become different or people are so different because we don't know exactly what they have been through in the past. Like maybe they've been through a lot of problems, so maybe that's the reason why they are different. So it's really hard to pretend. It's really hard to take note. Like it's really hard. Yeah, I understand. Okay. So for you, it is good. That is your opinion. That is your opinion. It's good. Okay.
One of you, no?
Now, me, actually, it for me, it is I cannot question if it is good or bad. Okay, because maybe I cannot also question if people becomes bad or people becomes different or she has a different or he has a different attitude probably because she been through a lot in the past. Maybe she has problem or probably she been through a lot of suffering and we don't know. So maybe that's why she is indifferent. She has his character is different. Uh, we cannot measure. I don't want to judge people in general. I don't want to judge like us. We are you are my students. I am your teacher. I cannot judge you that well. Oh, you speak English, but why like that? No, I cannot judge you because I really don't know who you are in your life. So better yet, I have to accept, I have to assess, I have to give advices, whatever. So but never ever judge a person. That's my own perceptions. That's my own thinking. I don't like to judge a person.
Yes.
So the same.
And I
The same.
agree, so I respect too.
The
Yeah,
same.
it's the same.
Yes. Okay. Well, let's move to another topic. Okay. So we are done with this. Okay, I will show you. We're gonna talk about the health.
Okay.
Okay. Day 8, health. Okay. We have
So,
here voluntary, vocabulary, laughter. Do you know this word?
that laughter is when you laughed a lot,
Yes, yes.
talk a lot.
Okay. Yeah, spiritual healing. Spiritual healing.
Spiritual, yeah, I know. So maybe you have a good lifestyle, but with the spiritual, so you go for the maybe a church. It's good.
Mm. Okay. Acupuncture.
Acupuncture, yes, I know. Here the name is acupuntura, and acupuncture is la technique when in the body when the
Mm.
doctor it's like a int, yeah.
Mm-mm. Yeah. I don't know that way. For the body.
I don't know exact, but it's like this.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Sneezing. Do you know this?
Mm, no, sneezing, no.
Like that. You sneeze. Sneezing.
Sneezing when like a
You,
noise.
you sneeze. Like, Sneeze. Like that.
Yeah. Okay, understood.
Hip. Hip.
Hip. Hip. Like a
Yeah.
hips
Yeah.
part of the body.
Mm. Yeah. Stomach ache. Do you know this?
Stomach ache.
Mhm. To get the cold. To get the cold.
To get cold. So no, I don't know.
Okay. To get the cold,
When
it
you are going to
means,
have cold.
yeah, when you are going to have cold. To get something ready. To get something ready.
To get something ready. No,
Mm.
I don't know what means. I know
Okay,
these words, but
to get something ready, so it means you have to prepare all the things to be ready. So to get something ready, it means you have to prepare something for you to be ready.
okay. Understood.
So we have here, we're talking about health problems. We have different health problems. Okay, this one. I know somehow we experience this. What is, for you, Gal, what do you think you mostly felt? Okay, like you have health problems. What is your
Okay.
health problems?
Yeah, about me.
Yeah, yes.
Uh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. I have a
Yeah.
broken leg. I
Oh, what?
cannot know
Why? What
anymore.
happened? What happened?
I was at the gym. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe I think I I put a big weights, and when I tried to go up with my weights, it was very strange on me,
Mm-hmm.
especially on my leg and my knee.
Mm-hmm.
And then I realized I cannot move my leg, I cannot walk properly. So I'm going to go to the doctor. And then the doctor told me, "Oh, you have achondroplasia. It's a like a sickness about about your knee. So
Mm-mm-mm.
it happened when you had when you when you tried to different movements, and it was very rude for your body.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
So I'm
Yes.
very thin. Yeah, I'm very thin. I cannot try to go up a lot of weights. Yeah,
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
and the doctor told me you need to wait, you need to use weights, or maybe you need to only use elastic bands in
Mm-mm.
progressive. Okay, so no,
Mm-mm.
it's straight to the big weights.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so that's it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, aside from
Ah,
that,
yeah,
you're
a cold.
healthy. You're cold. Yeah, always. Me also. Like,
A cold.
you're
Yes,
not
all the
feeling
time.
good. You're not feeling good. You have rashes. How about rashes? Do you have allergy? Do you have
I have
allergy?
allergy about my, yeah, for my cat. It
Mm-hmm.
was
Oh,
strange,
yeah, you have
but I have
allergy.
allergic of my cat.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So only for my cat. And then what more? So headache
Your
sometimes, stomachache no,
headache, that's common.
fever no.
Oh,
Oh my God.
like,
That's
yes, that's common. Okay. So here we have health advice, exercise regularly, eat healthy food. Okay. Brush your teeth regularly, sleep early. Oh, don't stay up late. It's not really good. Okay. Have regular medical checkup. Relax. Go on
I know,
diet
I know.
and drink water. Drink water. Okay, these are the health advice. You drink water, go on diet, relax, have a regular medical checkup.
Go on a diet.
Yes, go
Yeah,
on
those
diet.
are very healthy. And the dish, the in the photo, it was it's very
Oh, wow.
taste
Okay. Oh, this one. I don't know what's this. This uh
It's a
you know the what
banana with
do you the
like
here.
a cereal, but no, it's
Yeah, it's cereal. Wait ha.
with chia, the
Yeah,
little
chia tea.
seeds.
Yeah.
Name is
Do you have this?
Arro yeah. Is it Rosca? No?
Yeah.
No, right?
You didn't know this?
Oh, I know.
You know, it's a stick
Arroz
rice.
caldo.
Yeah, you know that?
Yes, I know.
Oh,
Yes.
I love
You told
it.
me before
I really love it.
when we talk about that. Yes, when we talk about the traditional food of Ecuador, and I told you encebollado,
Mm.
and you then, and I said it to you, what about the arroz caldo? Because John Ray told me about that.
Oh yeah, arroz caldo. Yes, I saw the Facebook of January that you're eating or you're cooking something. I don't know what did you cook in the Facebook of January. You cook
Yeah, the
something.
name, yeah, the name is it's one of my favorite food.
Dish?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
what is that?
in
What's
my
the
cheat
name?
day.
Ah, in your cheat day.
Patacones.
Oh,
Yes,
it's
it's a patacones.
patacones.
So I'm going to write. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, and it was it's a delicious. So I love, and I have a little secret because if you need to be your patacon is more crunch, like a
Mm.
crunch,
Crunchy,
¿sí?
crunchy, crunchy.
So you need to put,
Patacones.
yeah, crunch. You need to put in some water with salt and pepper.
Oh, wait, ha. I will search it. How does it looks like? Patacones. Mm-hmm. But fried all this. It's just
It's
like
very easy to cook.
yeah, it's just like chips.
Chips. But no, it's the name of the no is a fruit. It's like a banana green. It's like a banana green. We have a lot of banana green here. So no is
Okay.
sweet. Yeah. It's with salt. You need to eat with salt and especially with eggs and cheese and with a drink with coffee. Always coffee.
Always coffee. Patacones. Yeah, I see this one. Patacon Casero. Patacones. Oh, it's just like small, small, small. Perfect toast. It's different from Toscanes. Different.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
different
I
from
see this
Spanish.
one. Yeah, we have here in
You
my
can see?
country. Yeah, we have here in my country like this. Yeah, it is
What's
good
the
for
name?
coffee. Yeah, yeah, someone here. There's something here that looks similar. But you need to put tomato. You need tomato.
Oh, no, no, tomato, no. So, what's the name? Is the same for tacones too, or is another?
Oh, patacones. Here, the patacones in the YouTube is different. I can see in here, it's different from what I tasted. It's the patacones. It's delicious. It's delicious.
Yeah, it's delicious. But
Yeah, but for you, it's easy to cook patacones. It's easy.
yeah, it's very easy. It's very
Yeah,
easy to cook.
yeah.
Yeah, so my question is the name is the same from here,
It's patacones.
of
But
here?
here, wait ha. But it's different.
Oh, okay.
The face. Look. This one. This one.
Yes, those are, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
this one.
like a banana and you need to push, yeah, and then you need to fry.
Fry. You have to fry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have here, Val. Let us have this. Okay. So let us move to this one. Okay. Task. Okay.
Okay.
Let us move to questions.
Okay, so
As an
let
answer.
me
Okay.
think. Let's
So
listen.
here, are you careful about what you eat and do you eat much junk food? This one, pizza. My God, it's delicious. It's yummy,
I
yummy.
told you, it's delicious. It's delicious. 2 days ago, I eat. I eaten a hamburger, but
Hamburger.
later I'm not feel good because I think my stomach was
Uh,
blunt. What is
blotted, blot,
maybe
blotted.
nothing. Yes, exactly.
Mm.
So it's delicious, but I be careful with the old food that I eat.
Ah, okay. Yes. Okay. How about junk foods? I like chips.
The
It's
most
pizza.
healthy is
Pizza. Do you like
I
pizza?
like, but maybe time to time. So not always, around 1 or 2 times per week. No, per week, per month. Sorry, per month.
Okay, for pizza.
So I don't like eat vegetables. Yeah,
Ah,
but I need to eat. So I
the same
prefer
here.
banana. I prefer fruits. Some tomatoes, carrots. But about the maybe lettuce or the green food. Okay, it's good, but not always. So I need to eat because it's very healthy on me.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so sometimes we need to eat that one, although we really don't like because it it will give us a healthy lifestyle. So me, I don't really like to eat vegetables. I'm not a veggie. I'm not a veggie type of person. So I eat veggie, but not all. Like potato or like uh, I don't like to eat green leafy vegetables like the chai. Okay, this green one. I don't like cabbage. No, like potato, like banana. Of course, fruits. I eat a lot fruits. Okay.
Of course.
So here now.
What about grapes?
Yeah, I
Grapes
eat,
and
of course.
carrots.
Yes, I eat.
Okay.
What are the health benefits of playing sport? What are the health benefits of playing sport?
Oh, finally, you're going to have more years of life.
Mhm.
This is the most important. Yeah. Or if you don't have more years of life, you are going to have a good quality of life. Yeah. Maybe
Yeah,
for less years or more years, but is essential for be a, a good life. So, for
yeah.
example, if you are going to
Yes, I understand. If you want to be healthy, okay, that's being healthy. Benefits of being healthy. Next one. What treatments or remedies do you follow when you have a cold? What treatments or remedy do you follow when you have
uh,
a cold?
yeah, I I choose the natural remedies. Yeah,
Natural remedies. Oh, you love the
it's more
natural.
healthy. It's more healthy and it's very effective. Yeah.
Yes,
Sometimes
yes.
when you take more pills, maybe your organism no is good. It take more pills, and I choose for maybe put
Vitamins.
some hot water with wipes, yeah, in my face, or take care, maybe keep warm, so stay in my home, or drink lemonade or
Yes,
garlic
yes.
with lemonade. It's good.
Ah, okay. That's good for the cough. Okay. When was the last time you went to the hospital?
So go. Yes.
2 years
About my
ago.
knee.
Yeah, 2 years ago. The one you told me? You had your checkup?
2 years ago, I had yeah, almost 2 years ago, I had my injury, but then yeah, 1 year ago, I went to my doctor for maybe check again. How is my knee about after my physical therapist?
Okay, okay, next one. Okay. What are some ways to deal with stress? Example, you are stressed. What are some ways to deal with it? What do you think?
Mm, um, let me see. I always forget about the deal. Deal is like okay, so tell me this. Deal is like a problem.
Yeah. Wait, how to deal with it? How to handle, how to handle.
Oh, okay, let me translate. Yeah,
Yeah.
only a minute,
How to
please.
handle.
Please, with the stress. Okay, so what is one? Oh yeah. Uh, breath. Only breath. Properly breath. So if you see maybe different videos, exactly. If you see a different videos of yoga or mindfulness, it
Mm-mm.
helps a lot. It helps a lot. So if you have problem or if you have a situation of stress or anxiety,
Oh,
yeah, it
anxiety. It's
helps you.
anxiety. Anxiety.
Anxiety,
Mm-mm.
anxiety, yes,
Mm-mm.
anxiety. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, now, how important is healthy lifestyle for you? How important is healthy lifestyle for you?
How important is a healthy life? It's very important. It's, I think it's the most important in my life.
Correct, very important because
And
health
and
is
I'm
health.
trying to be, yeah, and I'm trying uh to be better always because sometimes I cannot I'm not have desire for do my workout or maybe I'm very lazy, but no, I'm
You're
trying
lazy.
every day. Yes, sometimes. I need to
Nice.
confess sometimes.
Okay. So have you ever realized during a dream that it is a dream? And have you then been able to change events in that dream? Like you're dreaming and you want to change the event in your dream. I want to change it because in my dream I was supposedly won the lottery, but I was not able to buy ticket like that. Have you tried it?
Uh, yeah, I think for a couple of times.
Uh-huh.
So it was strange. Yeah, it was strange, but because it's a dream, so
Mm-mm.
you are not you don't have maybe a good concentration at this moment, or maybe it's
Mm-mm.
very confused.
Very
So there are
confusing.
some
Very
events.
confusing. Yeah, very
Yeah, there are
confusing.
some strange events in the dream,
Mm-mm.
and you
Mm-mm.
cannot believe. And then you
Mm-mm.
realize, and you said, "Oh, it was only a dream." Yeah, it was calm.
Mm.
I'm going to be calm.
Yes. Okay. Sometimes we are so amazed with our dream. Okay. We feel strange with our dream. Sometimes we want to change. Oh my God, supposedly I am already in the house, in a big house to eat a lot of food. And when you wake up, oh my God, it's only a dream. Okay. So it's only a dream. That's it, Val.
It's
Everything
only
is
a
just
dream.
a dream. Okay. Everything is just okay now. Do you think, Val, that more about your health now than when you were younger? Do you think more about your health now than you were younger?
Okay, so I think more about your health now than we no. No, because when I was young, so maybe I'm concentrating other things. I was not very mature,
Mm,
like a mature woman, and for
mm-mm,
now I realize that the health is very important. So if I could to go for to win, no, to go for maybe 10 years ago,
mm.
I would like to change some part of my life or
Okay.
maybe some decisions. So I will to try to or maybe to start to do my exercise or have a good lifestyle.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so of course, when we were younger, it's different. We don't care about their health. We eat a lot like that. We sleep very late at night. But then now it's everything. It changes, right? It changes. You need to be fit and healthy. You need to be fit and healthy. That's very strange. Yes, Val, right, Val? Okay. Yeah. Okay, yes. Well, we don't have enough time now. So thank you so much for
Yeah.
today. Okay, thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and then we finished already the six, but we have one exceed one. Okay, so I will just message Chenry about this one. Thank you so much, and I will see you on Saturday, right? Saturday.
On Saturday. Yeah.
Yeah.
For tomorrow, no, right?
Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Saturday, did
Okay.
I already give
Yeah.
you the schedule? Okay, Saturday. We have schedule for that
Okay.
one. Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Val, for
Good.
today. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Thank you so much. Have a good
Yes.
day. Bye
Yes,
bye.
have a good day.